Hello, and welcome to this video on money saving tips. In today's economy, every penny counts, and it's important to make the most out of what we have. In this video, we will be discussing 10 practical and effective ways to save money in your daily life. Tip 1. The first tip is to create a budget. Make a list of your income and expenses and see where you can cut back. This will help you keep track of your spending and avoid overspending. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make it easier to stick to your budget. Tip 2. The second tip is to take advantage of discounts and coupons. Whether it's through promo codes or loyalty programs, these small savings can add up over time. Before making any purchase, do a quick online search for coupons or discounts. Tip 3. The third tip is to cook at home instead of eating out. Restaurant food can be expensive, especially when compared to the cost of making a meal at home. Plus, cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and make healthier choices. Plan your meals for the week and make a grocery list to avoid overspending at the store. Tip 4. The fourth tip is to reduce your energy usage. This can be done by using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights and electronics when not in use, and reducing your overall usage. You can also reduce your energy bill by using a smart thermostat and making sure your home is properly insulated. Tip 5. Fifth tip is to use public transportation or carpool instead of driving. Not only will you save money on gas, but you'll also be reducing your carbon footprint. If you have to drive, make sure your car is running efficiently by keeping up with regular maintenance and checking your tire pressure. Tip 6. The sixth tip is to buy in bulk. This can be anything from groceries to household items. Buying in bulk often saves money in the long run. Just make sure to store items properly so they don't go bad. Tip 7. The seventh tip is to eliminate unnecessary subscriptions. This can be anything from gym memberships to streaming services. Be mindful of what you're paying for and eliminate anything that you don't need. You can also consider downgrading your cable or phone plan to save money. Tip 8. The eighth tip is to shop at discount stores or thrift stores. You can find great deals on clothes, household items, and even furniture. Thrift stores are also a great place to find unique items that you can upcycle into something new. Tip 9. The ninth tip is to switch to generic brands. These brands often have the same quality as their more expensive counterparts, but at a fraction of the cost. Don't be afraid to try generic brands and see if you can taste the difference. Tip 10. The 10th and final tip is to avoid impulse purchases. Take the time to think about whether you really need something before making the purchase. If you're still unsure, wait 24 hours and see if you still want the item. Impulse purchases can add up quickly and can be a big drain on your budget. And there you have it, 10 simple and effective ways to save money in your daily life. Remember, every little bit helps and every penny saved is a penny earned. Implement these tips into your daily routine and you'll be on your way to a healthier financial future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.